and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another great product for you all that I want to review. Now Comfee sent me this and I already know what it is. It's going to be a juicer. Who doesn't like juicing? Who isn't juicing at this point in time, right? I think everyone is juicing. So let's just unbox this and then we'll go through all the different parts and all of the different accessories that came with this juicer. So guys, now to actually assemble the machine. Now before I assemble, I just want to go over the parts with you. So the first thing we have is the juice cup lid, which is this part. Then we have the drive shaft, which is this part. We have the filter and the fine strainer. We also have the juice cup, which is this part that collects the juice. Now the juice comes through this part here, and the pulp comes through this part on the other side. So you have two sides. And we also have an ice cream strainer, so you can make ice cream with this also. How cool is that? And we have two cups. We have the one to collect the juice with the handle, and we have the other one that collects the pulp. So, and we also got this little handy dandy brush to clean. So let's put all of these parts together. This goes into here. This goes onto your base. Right where you see this indentation is where the pulp part, the extracting part, is going to come out. It's all going to fall into place once you put it on. The next part that goes on is your drive shaft, and it goes into here. I want to make sure you hear that lock into place. It's very easy to put together, as you guys are seeing. Put aside the ice cream maker or the ice cream strainer because we're not using that at this time. And then this locks into place like that. How easy was that? This is your tamper where you can use to sand down your items. And what you need to do is take your juice cup and you're going to place your juice cup where this opening is. Let me show you guys. You see this part here that's opening and closing? That's where your juice container is going to go. And this other part is where your pulp extractor container is going to go. Right guys, so let me get some fruits organized and let's test this out. So guys, what I'm going to be juicing today, I have some carrots, I have some apples, and I have some pears. Now with this machine, they said you don't have to cut up the fruits, but the apple was really huge and I knew that it was not going to fit in here. But the pear is definitely going to fit, and I have carrots, I have some cranberries, and I have some raspberries also that I'm going to be using. Now when you're juicing, you can juice whatever you want, and feel free to mix it up and play with what you're making, and you can always switch it up every week, just change the combination of vegetables. So now let's get juicing. So I'm going to plug my machine on. Right, so once you plug the machine on, we're going to actually turn on the machine, and the knob to turn the machine is on this side. So let me turn this so you guys can see the knob. So these two containers are side by side. And here is that knob that you're going to use. So we're just going to turn it on to the settings are juice, ice cream, and self-clean. And if I didn't mention to you guys, this is a rose gold color. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it has a nice pinkish tone to it. I love that. I guess they made this especially for me, right? It's like so cool. So let's turn it on to juice and let's add in our fruits. Pretty good. Let's go in with a carrot. So the juice is coming out here. The pulp is already coming out on this side. I'm gonna let you guys get a close-up look, right? Can you guys see? The juice is coming out on one side and the pulp is on the other side. Amazing, right? And just look at how it's, so that is having some problems to go down, so all you have to do is take your little temper. Okay, so we didn't need it, so let's add in some more. I know the baby is going to appreciate this fresh juice, and it's better than having to buy juice in the supermarket where it comes with preservatives to help it last. Now I'm going to go in with my cranberries and raspberries. Once all of the juice has been extracted from the machine, you're not going to see any more juice coming out, so you'll know that you can stop the machine. Okay, so that's the last of the juice. I'm going to turn off the machine. And now let's pour our juice and enjoy our juice. So before I go, I want to show you guys that when you're finished, all you have to do is close this. This prevents any of that excess juice that may come out of the machine when you move the cup from falling or spilling onto your countertop. So now to enjoy some freshly squeezed juice. I can tell you that it's really thick, so what you would want to do is probably add some ice to thin it out. But if you're okay with the consistency of it, by all means have a go at it. So guys, now to enjoy some delicious freshly squeezed juice. Look at that perfect color, really beautiful. I can taste the freshness in that juice, and guess what, it's nice and sweet, and it's way better than buying store-bought juice. No preservatives, just freshly squeezed juice. And you know how everyone is on a juice craze these days? This is definitely going to come in handy. So if you guys enjoyed this review, leave me your comments down below. I want to hear from you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!